going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. Sorry I sound stuffy, getting over a cold. I usually get a cold around this time of year, late September. However, doing a final walkthrough on another property that my buyer clients are closing on. As I stated before, I do have a license as a realtor, so in my spare time I help buyer clients, seller clients buy and sell houses as well. So it's going to be a personal residence for a family of 5. It's a nice looking property. I'm going to be closing on this tomorrow. Just wanted to drop in and let you know what I am up to. So that's all I wanted to do, is just kind of drop some more content. This would be of value to anybody. This purchase was used through a VA loan. It's a loan tailored for veterans. No money down. Purchase loan program. Another good loan that you can use for a home buyer is an FHA loan. It's a government-backed loan that's insured by the government. You can put as little as 3.5% down. So for this property, at 3.5 down, if you're not a veteran, you'll be putting roughly, because this house is about $64,900. I don't have my calculator with me right now, but somewhere in the $2,500 range. Somewhere in that range. So rather than spend that money on a security deposit and rent, you can own a home for less than $3,000. So that's pretty much it. If you have any real estate questions, you can reach me at 330-685-2220, or just visit the website www.investparamount.com.